Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sundrop from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. So let's get started. To draw this cool character, let's first start by drawing a circle for the cheeks. So I'm going to come right here and I'll just start with a circle and I'm going to come right across. So nice and wide, so say about right here. I'll go ahead and draw another circle for the other cheek. There. And then from there, I'm going to connect it with a big smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve all the way across. And let's widen this smile. So I'm going to come in with a deeper curve and connect. There. So that's the shape that you want to start off with. And then let's come in here, since we're here, and in the center, I'm just going to lightly draw a center line. And then I'm going to come out, radiate out 2 more lines on each side. And then let's see here, let's come right here. I'm going to lightly draw another curve right in the center for some, to make it look like teeth. Then from there, let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come right next to this circle where the cheeks are, and I'm going to draw kind of a circle, but not really, right? So it's going to come down, curve, and then just kind of tuck it in. So same thing here. So about right here, just going to tuck in a curve and then come out and around. From there, let's go ahead and draw the nose. So about in this area towards this eye more, I'm going to come right here and curl and follow the top, the mouth, and then come all the way up to in this area right here next to this eye. And then I'm going to stop and come out for the nose. Come back and go up. There. So there's a little hook nose right there. So now that we have the main elements in, we need to draw the head, which is basically a circle, right? And it's a pretty wobbly circle, so we don't have to make it perfect at all. So I'm going to come about here and here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big curve all the way up. So let's go right here and come back down, and then we're going to come bottom right here, right underneath the mouth. Draw another curve. There. So we have our kind of like a circular head, right? Then from there, let's continue the details on the head. So I'm going to bring this up now that we know where our head ends. Go about right here, and then I'm going to go across and then tuck it in. There. And for some details, there's some markings that you can put in if you like. So say about right here. You can do this when you're coloring. I just wanted to show you. And here it comes around. So it's kind of like this yin-yang shape almost, I think. Right there. And then maybe some circles here, some craters that looks like craters, right, for the moon. But this is the sun. But it changes into the moon, right? Okay, so there. Then from there, let's draw the rays of the sun. So I'm going to come find my center about right here and go up, not too high, say about right here. And I'll start my first point, come down and down. So I have that one set in, and then I'm going to come about right here will be my other one. So just imagine it coming through, say about right here. Just give myself a point. Then from there, I'm going to draw another one and round off the tip and in. So let's come right across using this. Now that we have that, bring it right across to about, say, right here. And let's do the same thing. Round off, bring it down in here, and connect. There. So now that we have these three, so it's just much easier to figure out where to put this one. So right in between, we're going to kind of find that center, go up, just give myself a point, and once again round off the tip and bring it down. So same thing here. About the center, come out, about right here. And connect. And the last one, I'll wait until I finish drawing the body first. So let's come in the center right here. I'm going to give this a little neck right here in the center. And connect it with a curve. This little neck. And then we're going to have to draw some ruffles. So I'm going to come out and out right here underneath the neck. And let's start. We're going to go up 1, 2, and 3. And to make them look like waffles, so this little hump right here, come right back, connect. And then this one right here, this hump, connect. And right in here at the bottom, add another line right there. And we'll wait until finish that one because we need to put in some shoulders. So same thing right here. Go 1, 2 humps. And so once again, same thing. Up, up. There. So hopefully I made that a little bit easier for you to figure out. Another one right there. Okay, so then now that we have that in, we're going to come, so just imagine the shoulders coming through about right here, in here. Shoulders, and then the body. So the body will be about, let's come about right here, draw a little angle line, and bring this down. So we're still keeping nice and centered. And about right here, just go ahead and connect with a curve. So we have this main area right here. Makes it a little bit easier to figure out, and then we're going to continue down for the waist. Bring it down to about right here and then connect. And I'll add another curve right here to break it up. And before I forget, let's add 2 buttons. And put a crosshair inside. There. Okay, so then more ruffles. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to come right here in the center, come down. Make these down a little bit more rather than that angle, and we're going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 1. I'm just trying to simplify it, but you can definitely add more if you want. So once again, we're going to do the same thing. All these humps, just bring it right in and angle, and then right in here and here. And you know what, let's add another layer right here and bring it in. There. And so then another line right there. Okay, so then from there, let's come in between right in this area, and say right about here, I'm going to just give myself a slight angle line. And this is where the pants are going to start. So right in the center area, I'm going to curve and curve. And then let's come about right here. These big balloon shaped pants. And about right here. Let's bring this down to towards the center. And we're going to bring it out. And let's go ahead and connect. And about right here, we're going to connect it. There. So same thing over here. our ballerina pants in. And then right here, in this area, I'm going to draw a little cuff and connect. And then more ruffles here, but I'm going to totally simplify this one. It's just not as important because it's at the bottom. So just draw out 2 curves, and then we're just going to wobble and connect. And then you can just add some of these lines right there like that. And let's bring down a leg. And I'm angling it, so about right here, I'm going to angle the shoe, but everything is still centered, right? So about right here, oops, come down, and then we're going to draw these jester shoes. So let's bring this, curve it in, come out, and right here, we're going to connect at the bottom with a little wobble. There, and then let's not forget the bell. Draw a circle right here. And for some details, I'm just going to quickly, there's a little sun shape right here. And so same exact thing on this side. Go ahead and quickly do that. So once again, the ruffles. There, and then the leg and the shoe. About right here. Connect it with a wobble and the bell. There, and then the little sun right here. Now that we're done with the legs, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So like right here in this area, we have that shoulder curve right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And let's bring this arm down to about where the ruffle was, the waist. I'll bring this down right there. And so in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it just to simplify it, to finish off the ruffle. And let's break this. Now we're going to have the hands come about right here. So down, about right there. Connect with a curve, and I'll just add another curve right here for some detail. And I'm going to end this hand right here with a circle for a bell. He has these 2 bells, and to make it look like a bell, they'll dot in a line, add another curve right there. Now for the hands, let's pop this out. And connect. It's this curved shape right there. And I'm just going to draw, well, let's see here. Okay, we'll put in 5 fingers. So the thumb and 4 fingers. 1, 2, since we have space. And 1 more. There, and then I'll just break it up. For detail, and then the ribbon on our bell. Right there. Okay, so same exact thing on this side. So connect the shoulder and then the arms. So we're in about the same spot right here. And same thing here. Connect and about right here. And we're going to end it with a circle and make it look like a bell. Add another curve right here in the back, and then the hands once again. Angle, and then for the palm, and connect, and thumb goes up and fingers. So let's add 4 fingers again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And add the details and the ribbon. So many details, right? And I'm already not putting all of them. I just want to put in the most important ones. And that is pretty much it. For his pants, there's 2 stripes right here. Well, you know what? Let's just go ahead and do that. If you don't want this line there, you can just, when you're coloring, just add these stripes in here for his pants. Same thing here. There. Oh, you know what? Forget about that. It's just a little too much detail. Okay, so now we have our stripes, and and let's finish this ruffle right there. And then last thing is this point here. So say about right here, just so I have enough space and it won't get in the way. There, and then same thing here. So here and here, I'll just drag this point across to about right here. And here. Just makes it a little bit easier to draw. And that is pretty much it for my version of Sundrop here from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. I really hope that I didn't overcomplicate it, and even though it looks complicated, I hope that I helped you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new draws